Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Me and my sister are similar, but we do our makeup differently. My makeup routine is pretty simple.
My makeup routine is more complicated. It has more steps and I use more products.
What do you do first?
My first step is to use primer.
Primer. So you spray primer on your face.
Yes, I spray primer on my face.
Okay. Then what do you do next?
Next, I put on foundation.
Foundation. And what's this?
Oh, I put on my foundation with a makeup sponge. I like the sponge. I don't like to use brushes for my foundation. To put on my foundation, I have to pat the makeup sponge on my face and then do like a sparkly effect now that it's done. So that is my first step. What is your first step?
I don't wear foundation, but I start with it's kind of random actually. I start with my eyebrows actually. I just started doing my makeup like 1 month ago. So I'm still building up my makeup routine. And I use my eyebrow gel. But I brush them all the way up and then I make a nice shape. So, then, Bree, what's your next step?
I usually continue with my face and I go with blush. My blush is very used. I do like this one. So I just put it on my nose, on my cheeks, and a little on my forehead and chin. And for my blush, I do like to use a brush. Now, what's your next step in your makeup routine?
So eyeliner. I like to use black eyeliner on my bottom eyelid. But lately, I've really enjoyed using this eyeliner. It's like a sparkly blue. It's really pretty. Okay, there we go. I put blue eyeliner on my bottom lash line. And my eyes are a little bit watery now, but I love how that looks. And so sometimes I'll use the blue eyeliner, sometimes I'll use the black. But usually I just use a blue one and then I put a little bit of the black one on my top lash line. Brianna, your turn.
Okay. My next step is usually my eyebrow gel. Sometimes I do this before my foundation, sometimes I do it after. It depends on how much makeup I use.
So today we're going for a more subtle, chic look.
Yes.
Not like the other day. Brianna really likes to do her makeup a lot. She does a lot of extravaganzas. Yeah, sometimes Brianna, she wears like blue contacts so that she can hypnotize people.
What's your next step in your makeup routine?
So, I think I usually add this white eyeliner near the tear duct. That's the tear duct, and I put it right there. I can't really paint it. Can you help me?
You gotta sharpen that with this.
As much as you can from it.
This is very flat.
I think I can do it. Okay, what is your third step? Or no, fourth step?
For my fourth step, I use some translucent powder to make my makeup stay better and so I don't look sweaty. I use my makeup sponge for the translucent powder.
Okay, now my next step, I'll use the eyelash curler to curl my eyelashes. Okay, your turn. What's your next step, Bree?
For my next step, I use eyeliner, some black eyeliner. I like to use a pen because it's easier.
My next step is mascara. So mascara is for your eyelashes. I only put it on the top lash because I don't feel like I have enough to put it on the bottom lash. Now, what's your next step, Bree?
For my last step, I also do my lashes. So I use my eyelash curler and then I use mascara on the top and bottom lashes. And sometimes on special occasions, I wear fake eyelashes.
Okay, my last step is to use this bronzer. I take a brush, a small makeup brush, and I put a little bit of bronzer. I test it first to make sure that it's not too heavy, and then I put it on my cheekbone, on my forehead, on my nose, and on my jawline. And maybe just a little bit above my eyebrow. And while Brianna finishes doing her eyelashes, I actually have one last step, which is lip gloss. So I don't really like to use lipstick. Lipstick is the color. I just like lip gloss. All set.
Sometimes, if I feel like it, I use lip gloss as an extra last step.
Thank you guys for watching. That was our makeup routine.
Our slow makeup routine.
I hope you learned something new today, and if you did, comment down below what it was. Makeup brush, eyebrow gel, what's another one?
Lash line.
Lash line, foundation, eyeliner. What did you learn today? I'll see you next time. Bye. If you guys are interested, I'll link Brianna's YouTube channel in the description. She also has a YouTube channel if you're interested. And Instagram, anything you can find in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Bye.